Okay, good evening, class. It's nice to see you guys again tonight. I hope you guys are doing okay, or doing great. Okay, at your school or at work, whatever you did during the day. So, without any further ado, let's just start the class tonight. So we can cover a lot today. Okay, now allow me to share the material first. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so we're doing chapter 22, guys. Still the same chapter with the previous meeting, okay? This is talking about the book conversation, okay, between Lisa and Jackie. All right, so let's do the role play, guys. For the role play of this chapter, I need 8 volunteers. You may raise your hands and I'll assign the dialogue to you guys. While waiting for the rest of the class to join us and then get their selves set up and then settle down. Okay, allow me to review some of the words, okay? The underlined words, guys, okay? I need you to pay attention to the underlined words, okay? The way it pronounces, okay? That way you can improve yourself. So listen carefully and then you may repeat after me, okay? In your space there wherever you are, okay? So after I pronounce it, you may repeat. That way when it's your turn to do that part, then you can do it correctly, okay? That's going to help you guys a lot. Let's check it out on Jackie's dialogue number 1. The words are psychology, psychology. And then this one is sociology, okay? That's the same, okay? So the logy is always the same, okay? Like in sociology, biology, okay? So this is a psychology, okay? Move on to Lisa number 2. The words are since, okay? Since with the S, okay? With the S. Okay. Since early this morning, since early this afternoon, okay? The other one is the author John Grisham. Okay, when the R is really soft, okay, guys? Author instead of author. Okay, Arthur. There's an R there towards the end of the pronounce, but it's really soft. Arthur. Okay, and then move on to Jackie number 2. The words are legal, not legal. Okay, legal is in Bahasa. Okay, it's spelled the same, pronounced differently. Legal, okay. The legal system, and also the system is dibacanya sebagai system, no okay, system, okay, the legal system, okay. All right, now next one is to read, okay. This is a present tense, okay. This is the simple verb, okay, instead of past tense, okay. Next, move on to Lisa number 3. The words are favorite, favorite, my favorite books. The other one is novel, novel, characters of the novel. And the other one is old, okay. For an 11-year-old kid, okay, no S on the years, okay, guys, because this is and explain the kid, okay. anak yang berumur 11 tahun, bukan anak usia 11 tahun. Berbeda ya. Okay, so like we also have the 2-day old Okay, the days no s there. Okay, no 2 days old bread. No, it's 2-day old bread. That okay. Jadi saat pengucapan yang terkait dengan waktu, maksudnya di sini ada yang ada usia begitu ya, kemudian diikuti oleh kata benda, oke, itu penggunaan waktunya seperti years, days itu tanpa s, oke. And then move on to other words are interesting. Interesting. The book much more interesting to read. Okay, this is to read. Yes. Okay. Now the other one here is participle. Okay. Have you read The Chamber? Okay, because there is a word have here. Okay. This is the present participle. Okay, verb number 3. Okay. And I move on to Jackie's number 3. The words are capital, capital. The case of capital punishment. Okay, capital. Bukan kapital ya, capital. And then the other one is written, written. Jadi kalau pengucapan bahasa Inggris itu banyak yang soft gitu ya. Jadi untuk kalau kita dalam bahasa Indonesia pas kebanyakan hard. Oke. R T what else? C like that yeah. But here is a lot of soft like that. Written, written. Okay, next is a Jackie number 4 and then emphasis. Okay, remember this is a noun, so it's emphasis instead of emphasize. And the other one is college, college, college. Yeah, move on to Jackie number 6. I read, okay, as a past tense. I read his book first. I read his first book and I found it very interesting. Okay, move on to Jackie number 6. The same written, written. He has written. And then move on to Lisa number 7. The word is I have not touched. I have not touched. That's a past part, a present participle. Then next on Jackie's number 7 is legal system. Legal system. 8 Lisa is law. Okay. From psychology to law yet. Okay, law hukum, jurusan hukum. Move on to Jackie number 8. Words are novels, novels, legal system, psychology, psychology, expertise, expertise, expertise. Lisa number 9 are creative, creative. I am creative enough. Require, require. They would require a lot of talent. All right, that's it, guys. So hopefully you guys can pronounce it correctly. Remember, the speed is not number 1 in doing this conversation, okay? All right, your turn. Let's do this. Okay, give me a sec. Okay, I'll have Peter taking care of Lisa number 1 until number 3. And then Nani is taking care of Jackie number 3 and 4. Miss Fu is doing Jackie number 1 and 2. Miss Lily is doing Lisa number 4 until number 6. Okay, Mr. Amin is taking care of Lisa number 7 and 8. And I'll have Shirley taking care of Jackie number 5 until 7. I have 2 more spots. Okay, 2 more spots available. New voices will be really excited, right, guys? Okay, so this is your chance to to make mistakes and then get corrected. Okay, it's free to make mistakes in this classroom. Okay, I saw there is a chat here. Let me see. Give me 1 second, guys. Maybe it's Miss Fanny. Yes, okay. Okay, I'll have Miss Fanny taking care of Lisa number 9 until 11. So we have 1 more spots available, guys. Miss Fanny. So 1 more spot. Let me see the time. We'll wait like 2 minutes until 7:16. Okay. Meanwhile, any question you may type in the chat box, and then we'll discuss about it, guys. Okay. Started chapter 20, I think, huh? Lots of the sentences using the what do you call past participle tenses and also the present participle tenses. So I was thinking doing the explanation for you guys, so you I don't recall any of the explanation about that from the previous chapters or the previous book. So I might give you guys another explanation of that towards the end of this chapter, guys. Okay. All right. So we have Jane here. Jane is settled down already. Okay, great. So I'll have Jane taking care of Jackie's number 8 until 10. All right. So allow me to repeat again, guys. So Peter is doing Lisa number 1 until number 3. Miss Fu is taking care of Jackie number 1 and 2. Miss Lily is doing Lisa number 4 until number 6. Nani is taking care of Jackie number 3 and 4. Mr. Amin doing Lisa number 7 and 8. Shirley is doing Jackie number 5 until number 7. Miss Fanny is doing Lisa number 9 until 11. And then Jane will close the conversation with Jackie number 8 until number 10, guys. Okay. Now, time to unmute you guys. As always, the least background sound will be really helpful to the rest of the class to hear your voice and learn from your pronunciation and intonation, guys. Okay, so please do. Okay, there you go.
Good evening, Miss Susan.
Guys, good evening, Nani.
Good evening, Miss Susan.
Good evening,
Miss
Peter.
Susan.
Good evening,
Good evening, everybody. Hi, how are you guys doing today?
Good.
Good evening,
good.
Miss
Excellent.
Susan.
Good evening. It's nice to hear your guys' voice. Very excited for you guys.
Good evening, Miss Susan.
Good evening, Jen. Are you having a cow?
I'm not so happy right now.
Oh, okay. Cheer up. Okay. 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 Miss Fanny, are you there?
Yes,
Okay, there
yes.
she is.
Good evening.
Perfect. Good evening. Okay, guys. So, time is yours. Miss, you might start with Peter.
Hi Jackie, how are you doing today?
I'm good. I just got out of my psychology lecture. It was so boring. I'm glad I'm done for the day. How are you doing? Did you just get out of class too?
No, I have been out of class since early this afternoon, and I have been reading this new book I just bought. Have you ever heard of the author John Grisham?
Yeah, John Grisham is a lawyer who has written a lot of books based on his knowledge and experience with the legal system like the client. His books are very easy to read and they give a lot of information on how the legal system works.
Yeah, The Client is one of my favorite books. I love Mark Sway and Reggie Love, the two main characters of the novel. For an 11-year-old kid, Mark is old beyond his years and so streetwise. John Grisham's special sense of humor has made his characters very entertaining and the book much more interesting to read. Have you read The Chamber?
The Chamber is a pretty good book too. The story about a grandson who
Son,
who tried
Sai,
to save the grandfather he has never really known gave me an insight
Sai on
on how the legal system works in the case of capital
Capital
punishment.
Punishment,
This story was
Stumble,
somber and it was written in a more serious tone.
John Grisham really knows how to adapt his writing style to each situation. That is probably one of the reasons for his success.
John Grisham's success is an example of the importance of
Fiction,
education. Even though his parents were poor and did not have a decent education, his mother put a lot of emphasis on his education and pushed him to go to college.
I have to agree with you on that. Education is one of the best tools to achieve success in life. That is the reason why we are still in school, right?
Right, but why the sudden interest in John Grisham, Lisa?
Well, I read his first book and I found it very
Good.
interesting. So I keep on
Sam,
so I keep on reading his books. I already have a collection of all his works.
Becky 6. Shirley? Let me see, is Shirley still here? Or got kicked out? Shirley, are you still here? Maybe she lost her internet connection. Shirley still here? Okay, let's see. He has written at least 20 books. Did you read all of them? Did you have that much free time?
No, I only read his legal fiction book. I have not touched any on his non-legal fiction or his own fiction book.
Is Shirley still here? I see that you are very interested in learning about the legal system.
Yes, very much. I find it fascinating, however, not enough to change my major from psychology to law yet.
Maybe you should follow John Grisham's example. He's a lawyer and he writes novels about the legal system. You can finish your studies in psychology and then write novels based on your expertise in psychology.
Miss Fanny?
That is a good idea. However, do you think I am creative enough to be able to weave all sorts of stories like John Grisham's? That would require a lot of talent, and I do not know whether I have it in me.
You never know unless you try. Anyways, people say, well, where there is a will, there is a way, right?
And there is also writer's block. Those moments when you sit in front of the computer ready to put your story in writing, and yet your mind is completely blank. You keep on trying, and nothing comes. I mean, absolutely nothing.
Still, you'll never know unless you try, Lisa. Oh, it is almost 3 o'clock. I need to run, or I will miss the bus. See you later, Lisa.
Bye, Jackie. Talk to you later.
Thank you.
Make Jackie.
Okay. Okay. Hold on. Miss Fanny wanna ask something? Okay. Is it my internet or? Okay. Hold on, Miss Fanny. I tried. Okay. What?
Lisa number 2, Miss. Ever heard of the author Watmin?
Apakah pernah tahu tentang pengarang namanya? Oke. Have you ever heard of author John Grisham? Apakah kamu pernah tahu pengarang yang namanya John Grisham? Nah, itu. Pernah tahu?
Pernah tahu.
Ya.
Ever.
Yes. Have you ever heard? Oke, nah di sini heard itu berarti mendengar ya. The past participle, the participle of hear. Hear, heard. Nah, tapi kalau diterjemahkan bukan pernah mendengar begitu, tapi apa pernah tahu? Apa kamu pernah tahu? Pernah tahu pengarang yang namanya John Grisham? Atau beside that you can ask, okay, have you ever heard a teacher called Mr. blah 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 like that. Jadi kalau pernah tahu itu kebanyakan bukan have you ever known, no. Have you ever heard? Nah, gitu. Itu artinya tahu gitu. Tahu pernah tahu namanya, kemudian pernah mendengar orang-orang menyebut namanya gitu. Tahu tapi tidak terlalu mendalam begitu. Oke.
Okay,
Clear?
Miss. Thank you.
You're
Yes, Miss.
welcome. Okay. So let's get a little review, guys. Okay, Jackie number 2. Jackie number 2. Okay, Jackie number 2. Okay. Hold on. Oh, anyway, that's actually Lisa number 2. Lisa number 2 here, the word is bought. Okay, that's the past tense of buy. Buy, bought, bought. Okay. So I just bought. Okay, hold on. Give me. There you go. All right. I have been reading this new book I just bought. Okay. Saya sedang membaca buku yang barusan kubeli. Yeah, okay. Then only Jackie number 2. Experience. Experience. The word is experience. Okay. Experience with the legal system like the client. Okay. So the client ini tulisannya tulisan miring ya, italic ya. Itu karena menunjukkan judul bukunya. Okay. That's why it's italic here. Also like here, have you read The Chamber? Nah, The Chamber ini tulisannya italic karena itu menunjukkan judul. Misalnya judul buku, judul lagu, atau judul film itu biasanya ditulisnya italic. Okay. And then always look at the caps. Okay, each word with the caps like this. Okay, start with the cap. Okay, and then okay, experience with the legal system like the client. And then let's move on to Lisa number 3. The word is Reggie. That's the name of the person. I love Mark Sway and Reggie Love. So this is pronounced as Reggie. Reggie Love. Okay. And then remember this. The word is have you read? No, read. Remember, there is a word have here. Once in the sentence, you see the word read, and then in that same sentence, you find the word have, has, had. Then the read has to pronounce as read. That's a participle tense. Okay. Verb number 3. Okay. I found I think it's only the word read is a little bit confused. If you don't have enough awareness and then focus, then you're gonna read as the you cannot pronounce that word read correctly. Okay, now did you read? Okay, that's the present tense. It's a did you read is a past tense grammar. Using the since there is a word did, then the word read is going to be the present verb. Okay, so you have to pay attention to the word read because it's the verbs that spell the same but pronounced differently. Okay, one of them is read. Okay, I'll try to find more of that, and then I will explain to you guys after we explain the grammar of this chapter. Okay, before we start with the new chapter of 23. Okay, I'll remind myself of that. Okay, okay, let's move on to Jackie. Okay, Jackie number 3. Okay, Jackie number 3 actually I heard Mr. Amin was helping yeah, helping Nani on the background. Okay. And then let's move on to, so she got all those pronouns correctly, and then she heard the Mr. Amin on the background, so she correct herself. Okay. All right. So move on to Jackie, number 6. The word is cap. Oh, okay. Anyway, that's Lisa, huh? Lisa. Okay, on Lisa here, I cap. Okay, because this is the past tense here instead of keep. Okay. Remember, keep is pronounced as this. K-E-E-P, keep. This is kept, past tense of verb number 2 of keep. Since the first sentence here all using past tense, the second one is also past tense. Also, look this. So, well, I read his first book, and I found it very interesting. So I kept on reading his books. Saya membaca buku pertamanya dan sangat menarik. Oke, bukunya. Jadi saya keterusan membaca buku-bukunya. Begitu kira-kira artinya. Oke, sekarang saya punya koleksi buku-bukunya banyak. Saya punya banyak koleksi buku-buku dari John Grisham. Okay. Okay, now move on to Lisa number 8. The word is psychology. Okay, instead of psychology. Okay. Okay, it's psychology. Psychology. To law. Okay, remember when you guys pronounce biology, okay? Logy instead of logi, okay? So it's psychology instead of psychology. Okay, instead of, anyway, no, it's psychology, logy, biology, sociology, okay? All right, so that's it. Let's have you guys correct yourself. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, check it out on Lisa number 2. I would like Peter to correct yourself. Hold on, no Jackie. Lisa number 2. Let me see, I see Peter here. Let me see, is Peter still here? Okay, there he is. All right, Peter.
Yes.
Okay, now repeat after me. Okay, the word bought.
Bought.
Okay. Now repeat the whole sentence after me. I have been reading his book. Sorry. I have been reading this new book I just bought.
I have been reading this new book I just bought.
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 Okay. There's a silent key there. Yes. Okay. All right. Another one. Move on to Lisa number 3. The word is Reggie Love.
Regina.
Yes, Reggie Love.
Reggie Love.
Okay, the love is the last name of Reggie. Okay, any question, Peter?
No, miss, thanks.
You're welcome. All right, move on to Miss Fu. Miss Fu on Lisa number, okay, Jackie number 2.
Yes, Miss.
All right, Jackie number 2, the word is, repeat after me, experience.
Experience.
S, there is S. Experience.
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 Jackie number 2. Jackie number 2
Jackie
is,
number 2, yes.
is that? Oh. Experience.
Yes.
With
there
the
you go.
legal system like the client.
Client.
Oh, client, sorry.
Yes, the client. Yes, got
Yeah.
it? Okay, perfect. Any question, Miss Fu?
No need.
Okay,
Thank you,
perfect. You're
Miss.
welcome. Okay. Move on to Lisa number 6. Okay, Miss Lily.
Yes, Miss.
The word is cap.
Cap.
Yes. Did you hear it was Mr. Amin was saying on the background, cap, keep on telling you that. Okay. All right. So that's it. You easy. Okay. Any question, Miss Lily?
Oh, thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. All right. Move on to Lisa number 8. Mr. Amin.
Okay,
Okay.
psychology.
There you
Hello, yeah.
go. Okay, maybe you. So remember when you see this is psychology.
I remember.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Amin.
Thank
Any
you, Miss.
question?
No, Miss.
Okay, perfect. All right. Move on to our next task. Expression already explained. Exercises. Question and answer practice is done. Now let's do the rest of the comprehension test. Let's start with number E, guys. So, question number E. What does Jackie think about John Grisham's book? Okay. Bagaimana bagaimana pendapat Jackie terkait dengan buku-bukunya karangan John Grisham? Oke, bagaimana pendapatnya dia? Jackie, I mean. Alright. Keep your hands up, okay, guys. Okay, alright. So let's give Danny a chance to answer that first. Okay, Danny. Let's do number E.
What does Jackie think about John Grisham books?
All right, what do you think? What she thinks? Oh, not you think. What she thinks? Can you figure it out what Jackie think of the books?
Forgot.
All right, let's check it out. What she said about that. Okay, on Lisa number 6.
Okay. Lisa number 6.
Oh, Lisa. Sorry, it's Jackie, huh? What does Jackie? Hold on, let me see. Jackie. Oh, number 3 here.
Okay.
Hold on, let me check. I forgot
The story about grandson who tried to save the grandfather.
Sorry, hold on, give me 1 second. Okay, let's see. Jackie Silva. Jackie. This is a music career that was an advanced education. Jackie. Maybe number 2. Oh, number 2. Is there a number 2? Okay. Yes, you may read. I'll show you. Yes. Okay, got it? On Jackie's dialogue number 2. John Grisham is a lawyer who has written blah, 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 blah. His books are blah, 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 blah. Okay, got it? So what do you think? What does Jackie think about John Grisham's book?
His books are very easy to read,
And
they give a lot information on how the legal system works. Legal system works.
Yes, that's the answer there. Okay, let me see. Too bad. Okay. Anyway. Okay. Let's go back to our question there. E. All right, so what does Jackie think? C. They're not gonna be enough on the D, the E, so let's have D. Let's see. Answer here. So you may answer the full sentence, please. So Jackie thinks that. Are you still here?
Yes.
Okay, so Jackie thinks that John Grisham's book are
very easy to read.
Okay, are very easy to read and they give a lot of information on
this book.
On legal system.
On legal system.
Okay, so very good. Any question, Danny?
Enough. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, you're welcome. You may have to join earlier so you'll be able to be part in the role play next week. Okay?
Okay.
All right, perfect. Let's move on to F. Who is Mark Sway? Siapa ya Mark Sway itu? All right, let's have Peter try to answer that for us.
Mark Sway is main characters
of
the novel.
What novel?
The client. Mark Sway is main characters of the client.
Yes, okay. So actually there are different characters in that client book, right? So we're gonna answer. Mark Sway is one of the main characters. Okay, so because it's okay, so let's do this. So Mark Sway is one of the main characters of the client. Okay, write it here. Of the client. novel. Okay, so that's, oops. Since I don't have italic here, I just do the caps. Okay. Okay, so one of the character there, okay. Move on to number G. Why does Lisa like the novel The Client? Okay. Mengapa Lisa suka novel The Client? Let's hear from Nani.
Does Lisa like the novel The Client?
The Client.
The Client.
Yes, there you go.
Lisa likes the novel The Client because
You still remember, or do we need to pull it up? Okay.
because she loves
Okay. The client, where's the client?
because she loves Mark Twain and Reggie Love.
Okay, G, huh? Okay, I said the client is one of my favorite. The main character. Okay. And then, yes. First, he likes the characters. Yes. And then the another explanation here also. And then talking about Mark is okay. And then you can add also here, John Christen's special sense of humor made his character very interesting, and then the book was more interesting to read. Okay. So you may answer like because she likes the client because she loved the characters. Okay. So she loved the characters Mark Twain and Reggie Love. Okay. And then also John Graham's put John Graham's made the character very interesting, and then the books much more interesting. Okay, like that. Okay, let's do it together. Okay, number G. Okay, you may repeat again, Nani. So Lisa Lisa likes, likes the novel The Client because she loves the characters in there, huh? The characters
of the novel.
The characters of the novel. Okay. And
John Grisham.
John Grisham's sense of humor. Okay. Makes the novel what do you call? The novel much more interesting to read. Interesting to read. Yes. Jadi karena dia suka novel The Client karena dia menyukai karakter dalam novel tersebut, dan juga rasa humor pengarangnya John Grisham membuat novel itu semakin menarik, semakin jauh menarik untuk dibaca. Okay, very good. Thank you, Nani. Okay, so that's for number G. Move on to number H. What is one of the reasons for John Grisham's success? Okay, let's hear from Miss Lily. Okay, GH.
What is one of the reasons for John Grisham's success?
Do we need
The
to pull it?
reason
Okay.
for John Grisham's success.
You want to just say one or two? Okay. Or okay. One of the reason. Okay. One
of the
reasons
for John Grisham's success is he really knows how to adapt his writing style to each situation.
Okay, he knows how to adapt
his
to
writing
or his writing
style to each situation.
Yes, I also agree with Miss Lily. Situation. Okay, very good. Any question, Miss Lily?
No, Miss, thank you.
You're welcome. Perfect. Thank you. Okay, I also have a same idea with Miss Lily. Very good. Move on to number I. Who has contributed to John Grisham's success? Siapa yang memberikan kontribusi terhadap kesuksesan John Grisham? Okay, let's hear from Mr. Amin.
Okay, I try it. Siapa who was contribute to John Grisham's success?
Okay.
John Grisham's success is an example of the importance of education.
So, who is here is a person.
Oh, who? Oh, the person, yeah.
Yes, it's who. Start with the who, right? So you have to answer a person. Who has contributed? Siapa yang telah berkontribusi terhadap kesuksesannya? Yang terlibat, ya kira-kira begitu ya, terlibat dalam kesuksesannya John Grisham.
Siapa ya?
Siapa was contributed by. Jadi kesuksesan di John Grisham itu dikontribusi. Okay, let's check it out together. Let's see. Okay, check it out on Jackie number 4.
Oh, his parent, yeah. His parent
Especially, yes, the
parents were poor and did not have a decent education.
Decent
education.
And then
he's poor. His parent.
Read the whole thing so you know. Even though his parents were poor and did not have a decent education, his mother put a lot of emphasis on his education and pushed him to go to college. So, who is it?
His mother is contribute to success John Grisham.
Yeah, so let's answer the full sentence together here. So, John Grisham's success was contributed by
his mother.
His mother. Yes.
His mother. Okay. His mother. All right.
Yes. Okay, so that's enough like this. Okay, so we can answer like this. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Any question?
No, Miss.
Okay, perfect. So there you go. Who has contributed to John Grisham's success? So we may answer like this. Okay. John Grisham's success was contributed by his mother. I use was here because, okay, hold on. This is, we start the sentence with a noun. Okay. Jadi pertanyaannya seperti ini. Siapa yang telah berkontribusi terhadap kesuksesannya John Grisham? Kemudian kita menjawab, kesuksesan John Grisham dikontribusi oleh ibunya. Like that. Okay. Jadi berubah. The subject is different. Okay. That's why instead of I use the question using has contributed, okay, there's a present participle tense, but I use the passive. In the answer, I use passive, what do you call a passive sentence like that, okay? All right. This is, okay, there you go. Now, move on to G. What kinds of books does John Grisham write? Buku macam apa sih, jenis apa yang ditulis oleh John Grisham? Okay, let's hear from Danny, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay.
What number?
Number G.
Okay.
You may read a question first.
What kinds of book does John Grisham write?
Ayo, buku jenis apa yang ditulis oleh si Grisham?
Legal system.
Okay, be more specific. Fiction, non-fiction. Okay. Look at this. On. The material is about the legal system. Okay, now let's check it out what they say. Okay, you may see on Lisa, number 7. Okay, you may read the Lisa number 7, yes?
Not only his legal fiction books, I have not touched any of non-legal fiction or his non-fiction book.
Okay, this is not touch, it's touched.
Touch.
There, okay, with the ed, so we have a touched.
Touch.
Yes, better. Okay, so look, so Lisa read legal fiction. Yes, it's about the legal, but it's fiction. Okay, and then I have not touched any of his non-legal fiction, and then his non-fiction. Okay, so he has like this. Okay, Lisa read the legal fiction. Also, he has the non-legal fiction. Okay, and then the other one is the non-fiction. Yes, you got it?
Yes, I get it.
Okay, perfect. Let's go answer together. Second. Oops. Okay. All right. So, number G. Okay, G. So, what kinds of books does John Grisham write? So, John. Okay. You still there?
Yes.
Okay. So John Grisham writes.
Non-fiction books.
Okay. Non-fiction books. Okay. And then fiction books.
Fiction books.
Non-fiction and fiction. Fiction. Non-fiction and fiction books about
Legal
the
system.
yes, about the legal system. So jadi dia menulisnya ada yang buku fiksi ataupun yang buku non fiksi tentang legal system. Very good. Any question, Dani?
Enough. Thank you,
Okay,
Miss.
perfect. You're welcome. Okay, so that's number G. Okay, so let's discuss the rest on the following week, okay? And then there is a discussion afterwards. So this discussion is more your personal experience, okay? Okay, from your knowledge, everything, whatever happened to you like this, what type of books do you like to read, okay? And then what do you expect from reading books, and then why should we read? That's your personal opinion, okay? So we'll hear from you guys. It's gonna be different from each person, okay? There isn't any fixed answer for that discussion, okay? So make it interesting, okay? And then try to answer your own, and then we'll talk about it on the following meeting, okay, guys? All right, so I'll end the class tonight, guys. Thank you for joining the class. Okay.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you,
Thank
Miss.
you,
See you
Miss.
next week.
Thank you.
Bye.
Guys.
Yeah.